Hello, I'm Gerard of Ultimate Solutions. I'm going to present today a noise control solution which we've developed in alliance with a company from the UK, Soundex Solutions. So what we've found is that we can construct a acoustic rated wall system so they can complete their project in daylight hours, and thereby they save a lot of expensive overtime or outside costly labour. So now we're going to do a noise control test. So this is Vlad, Ultimate Solutions, and he's going to do the test using a Dynadrill inside this sound control room behind us. Let's give it a go. So now we've finished our test inside our modular wall system. Vlad's going to come out and do a test outside to show you real time. So as you can see, there's a significant difference in the test behind the modular wall system to outside, and that's what Ultimate Solutions will offer to you, is a solution for the construction industry around noise and dust control. Thank you.